Hey guys, too much what here? Coming to you with a little thing that a lot of people have been asking me in my uploader comments section. I've gotten like 300, 400. I've gotten like 20 requests to do it. So it's not like I'm gonna say no. Where am I? Well, anyways, here it is. My 14-year-old mini fridge. Oh, holla at your boy. So, as we open it, let's look inside. So, you can see some pink cups for all the beverages in here. Got some airsoft BBs, just in case there's a fight. Got some of them Cokes, some Hershey's chocolate, you know, pretty yummy. And then got some bubble mailers, because my bubble mailers are fresh. And, oh, sweet. Got Duke Becker, former Goon Wizard's old gun. I left it here. You know, you can fight, battle. You can even do this. Pew, 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 pew. Yeah. And then we got some Naked Juice Mango Madness. That stuff is the vagina. Yeah. Anyways, stay tuned for Too Much What's next videos, because I love Jesus.